Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. My wife says my voice is too high. Today I'm going to be doing a little quickie. Some of you may remember these pliers that I sent off to Scoutcrafter and he polished up for me. There's actually 3 in the set. And they came back just beautiful. Just beautiful. And the thing that Scoutcrafter said was, all they need now is a set of Klein Koats. Well, the budget was stretched pretty much to the max every day, every week. And it's been quite a long time thinking about and saying, yeah, I gotta do that. Yeah, I gotta do that. So I finally broke down and bought a set of Klein Koats. And these are the replacement plier handles, Klein Koat, from Klein Tools, made in USA. These are the number 89 10-aught plastic grips for 8-inch to 9-inch, 203mm to 229mm plier handles. Provide slip resistant grip and comfort, and it says that in 4 different languages. 3 different languages. Yeah, I can't count. Anyways, to install, place open end of grip in hot tap water to within 1 inch of the plugged end for approximately 1 minute. Drive grip onto pliers handle. So, I have hot tap water. It's actually, I heated it in a microwave and poured it into this insulated cup so that it would stay hot. And I have a timer behind me, and all you can shout when the minute's up, and I'll pull this stuff out. Blister packs are kind of a good thing and kind of a bad thing. Not so bad if you got a nice pair of shears. And this set of Weiss number 20s are pretty darn good. Had those for a long time. Picked them up, they were horrible. They were just rusted and dull and looked like somebody beat on them with a hammer. Okay, 10-aught handles, hot water. I'm going to put this on top to hold them down into the water. They want to float up. Okay, now we'll check our timer. And we are at 3. And when it comes back around to 3, we'll pull them back out of the water and drive them onto the handles. Okay, that's a minute. Aim you back down at the table. Bring you up close so you can watch the action. Well, if I did this right, this should just slide right on there. Well, that looks like a fit. It's all the way down, just where it's supposed to be. That's why you leave this inch out. If you had the whole thing soft when you drove on it, it would not slide as easily and the end would mushroom over. There we go. Beautiful. Fit right on there. Oh, aren't those lovely? They feel great too. This is a set of Bell System patented 9-inch Lineman's pliers. Beautiful. The Klein Koats, which are Scoutcrafter red, and they have that candy apple look to them too, so that they fit right in with Scoutcrafter's motif. Yeah, I'm into French words too. Beautiful. I bought these on eBay and they cost me just about $9, free shipping. Depends on who you go through. The last time I saw that done, other than Scoutcrafter doing it on video, was when my dad did it, and I was about 12. He was in the kitchen and heated up the water on the stove, dipped the handles, and drove them on. He had those pliers nearly forever. So I expect these handles will last me just as long. And then I'll pass them on down to my son. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And I'll put a link in the description where I got these from. The guy had a bunch of them, and he had the lowest price and free shipping, so I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.